Hey, making a video. A couple of you guys have some questions on what's included in this kit, and here we go. So that's the Garrett GTXR42 Turbo. It's wrapped. You're gonna have the wrap, tile, 44mm blow-off valve with the boost controller. Goes from a 3-inch exhaust housing into a 4-inch pipe all the way down, all the way to the back. Here, let's see. Maybe I can turn the wheel. Just a front mount intercooler will be included with all pipes. See some of the pipes are going in there. See if we can get a bottom view. There is the up pipe, wrapped, goes up. See some of the intercooler piping. There's a clamp right there. I don't know if you can see. Those are the exhaust manifolds that connect to the exhaust manifolds. There's a flex joint there, so manifolds won't crack. There's a clamp, V-band clamp right there. Easy to take off and on. Cold side of the intercooler pipes are powder coated black. There's the sensors, all that is included. Tile, 44mm blow-off valve. Little breather there. I'll also throw that in there. The 80-pound Ford Racing injectors with spacers. Goes down. Here's the exhaust EGT gauge sensor right there. That you will also get that innovative performance gauge, which I'll show you later. The exhaust comes down from here. All 4-inch. Here's for the tuning for the wideband. Has a clamp right there. Goes this way. To 2 MagnaFlow mufflers. And it goes up. Up here, there are the exhaust manifolds going up. Another V-back clamp right here. Comes back. Here's the work, you can see. Nice clean welds. And I installed these 2 resonators just to reduce the baffle sound. And I use 2 4-inch dual exhausts coming out to the rear. That's pretty much it with a kit. Also comes with 2 dual Walbros fuel pumps that I would be wanting to trade with someone for the stock unit because it's all cut and ready to go. Also selling that carbon fiber hood. And quick video. Bring this down real quick. Those are the gauges you will be getting. The eBoost Turbo Smart boost controller, and the innovative Motorsports air to fuel ratio gauge. It's all connected. That's how it idles. Let's take it for a little spin. You hear the whine on the turbo. Oh shit. Drives like stock. Currently running around 7 to 8 pounds of boost. Made 505 wheel horsepower on a Mustang dyno, all-wheel Mustang dyno. And I believe 520 something torque. Right back. Alright, we're back. Drives like stock. Smooth. Hear the whine of the turbo. So it sounds inside with the window up. Pretty quiet. I need somewhere to step on it so you guys can feel how much. Last time I checked, 0 to 60 on that little on-board little thing it has here. It did 3.8 seconds, 0 to 60. Quarter mile, hit 11.6 at 118 miles an hour. And that's braking traction with my old tires. I haven't gone with my new set of tires that I just got. Alright, I think I'm going to go on the freeway and do a little pull there a little bit later.